How much should you actually spend on a cordless 23-gauge pin nailer? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting what you can find when you dig deeper. Product number 1, Mate 23-gauge pin nails. Let's kick things off with the Mate 23-gauge pin nails. For just $12.98, you get a set of assorted pin nails in 6 different sizes, totaling 6,000 pieces. What grabbed my attention is the range of sizes, from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1/3/8 inches. If you want versatility in your woodworking projects, this is worth a serious look. These pin nails are designed with sharp chisel points, which means minimal damage to the wood when you insert them. That's key if you're trying to maintain the integrity of your project. Plus, being made from galvanized steel means they're less likely to break, which is a huge plus when you're deep into a project. With a stellar rating of 4.7 stars from 149 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate the quality and value. Now, some people complained about the packaging, saying the plastic container could be better designed. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep it upright, it's pretty handy when you need to grab different sizes quickly. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast needing a variety of sizes for different projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something to handle heavy-duty tasks. At this price, you're definitely getting good value. Now, if the packaging issue with the Mate pin nails bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Metaba HPT 18V Brad Nailer Kit. Next up is the Metaba HPT 18V Multi-Volt Compact Cordless Brad Nailer Kit. Priced at $154.70, this one caught my eye because it includes a 2Ah lithium-ion battery and can drive up to 700 nails on a single charge. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting tool, this is worth a serious look. Why does this matter for you? Well, if you're working on larger projects, you need something that can handle various nail sizes without fuss. It's lightweight at just 5.5 pounds, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The LED light is a nice touch too, illuminating your work area for better visibility. Now, I did notice some users mention the depth adjustment could be finicky. Here's the thing, if you're familiar with tool adjustments, it's not a deal breaker. Just take a moment to get it right and you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you're tackling larger projects and need a reliable tool. Skip this one if you're looking for a very lightweight option. It's a solid investment for the quality you receive. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller projects. Product number 3, Metaba HPT Pin Nailer NP35A. The Metaba HPT Pin Nailer at $79 is the next contender. What stood out to me is that it's rated the Pro Preferred Nailer for 9 years running. If you want a tool that's been widely recognized for its performance, this is worth a serious look. It drives 23-gauge headless pins from 5/8 inch to 1/3/8 inches and is super lightweight at just 2 pounds. This is perfect for precision work like cabinets and trim, where you need to avoid damaging the wood. The dual trigger adds safety, which is great if you're working in a busy space. The rear exhaust design helps keep debris away from your work area too. However, some users have pointed out that it can struggle with thicker materials. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly working with trim and crafts, this tool is designed for that and will serve you exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you're focused on fine woodworking or small projects. Skip this one if you need something for heavier duty applications. For the price, it offers excellent value. Now, if the Metaba NP35A's limitations on thicker materials concern you, check out the next product. Product number 4, Simcost 23-gauge Pinner Nails. Next, we have the Simcost 23-gauge Pinner Nails, priced at just $9.99 for 5,000 assorted nails. I was genuinely surprised by how affordable this is for the quantity you receive. If you want an economical option without compromising on quality, this is worth a serious look. That's great for projects where durability is key. The flat collated design helps prevent jamming, which can be a real frustration during long sessions. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 422 reviews, this is clearly a popular choice. That said, a few reviewers mentioned the nails could bend if not used properly. Here's the thing, if you're careful with your nailing technique, this shouldn't be a big issue at all. This is perfect for you if you're working on various DIY projects and want to save money. Skip this one if you need a more specialized nailer. Given the large quantity for the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more established, let's talk about our final contender. Product number 5, Porter Cable Pin Nailer. Finally, we have the Porter Cable Pin Nailer priced at $65.33. What caught my attention is its maintenance-free motor, which promises long life without staining your work surface. If you want reliability with less hassle, this is worth a serious look. This pin nailer drives 23-gauge headless pins ranging from 5/8" to 1/3/8 inches. The dry fire lockout feature is also a nice touch, preventing you from leaving empty holes in your projects. However, some users reported it can be a bit bulky compared to others. Here's the thing, if you're used to handling heavier tools, this won't be a major downside. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, reliable tool for various woodworking projects. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter and more compact. For the money, it's a very decent option. So there you have it, 5 solid choices for cordless 23-gauge pin nailers, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, there's something here for you. In summary, you've got the mate pin nails for variety, the Metaba HPT18V for power, the Metaba NP35A for precision, the Simcoss assortment for affordability, and the Porter Cable for reliability. Each has its own unique strengths, ensuring there's a perfect fit for every type of project. Choose wisely.